Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine. If you're relatively new, welcome. So today what I'm going to be doing is a review on the new Revlon one-step hair dry and volumizer. It's pretty cool. It's really nice. At first I was just like to try it, and just because my hair is a pain in the butt, I don't know what to call it. It's curly, it's wavy, it's frizzy, it looks like a lion at the end of the day. So I was like, you know what, I flat iron my hair every single day and I do cause a lot of damage to it. As you can tell, you'll see in the videos, my ends are really bad. Please be nice. I know I'm gonna get a haircut soon. And yeah, so it says that it does help. It helps reduce damage, which caught my eye. And I don't know, I just wanted to know if it really worked. You know, sometimes I want to get like a blow dry. I want to get like that salon kind of blow. But yeah, so if you want to know how I got this look and if it's worth it or not, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you want to know how I got this look, I'll leave the link on the description box so that way you guys can also view it. You'll see me in the same shirt because I did the look first and then I came along and did the hair. Alright guys, so now let's get ready to watch the video. Got this yesterday. I brought it at Target. On the website it's like 60 bucks, but on the website it was like $54.99 if I'm not mistaken. And I was like, you know what, it's on sale. I did say to myself, I'm like, if I find it on sale, I'm gonna get it. And that's what I did. I use a straight iron every single day, but if this can give me like a salon glow out kind of look and it's less damaging, why not? I really do want to get the Dyson one. That's like $500. But I've been looking at a lot of videos and reviews, and a lot of people are saying it's kind of better to get this if you don't want to spend the $500. I really don't want to spend the $500. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just separate my hair. It is really loud and it's like kind of heavy. It's not like over dramatically heavy. And yeah, so look, this is the cool sound. This is low, and then this is high. I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair. As if I was straightening it, because I don't know really what I'm getting myself into. So, and I want to give this like a fair shot. So I usually obviously like use less hair when I'm straightening it, but alright guys, I'm gonna start with high.
One of those times in life when you just know that it's right. It's one in a lifetime. For the first time in my life, I'm right on the edge now. I'm looking down. No matter how hard I try, can't see the ground. I'm on the edge now, taking the lead, taking a chance.
So it does get very hot after a while. Like I feel the air blowing. It's like, you know, blow dryer where you can move it. I like it. I'm gonna see if I can try it in a low setting and then work from there. Okay, so I ended up putting it back to the high level, but I'm gonna go ahead and just speed up this process because I'm pretty much doing the same thing, trying to get each section and just straighten it. So far it's so good. It just gets really hot, so you'll see my skin irritate throughout the video.
All I need from you, my angels, to listen.
how red I'm red because I'm wearing a sports bra, because that's how hot it is when it's on high. So far it looks really good. I mean, I have no complaints. Right, so let me go ahead and finish.
It's one of those times.
Alright. So, I have sensitive skin, and when it's hot, I get like this. And this is really hot when you put it on high. So, yeah, that's what happens. So, let's ignore this area at the moment. But, so far, it's good. I mean, I have not much of complaint. My hair feels nice and smooth. It's not as straight as I would like it to be, but I'll go through it again once like I go forward and stuff like that. But yeah, my hair feels really good, and it's halfway done. Usually I'll still be straightening my hair, and it usually takes like an hour to straighten my hair. I have really thick hair, so it looks good. No complaints so far. Alright guys. And mind you, I was using thicker sections, and it actually worked. With my flat iron, I usually have to go like half of this, so that would be like this much with my flat, and then adding, and this is how much I can use with this hair tool, which is pretty cool. I just don't like the fact that I get red, so I guess while I'm doing this, I would like have to wear a sweater or something over, cause yeah. I'm so happy I have this. One more sip and then we're gonna start. See, best friend? Drinking water.
It's one of those times in life when you just know that it's right. Taking a chance. 'Cause all I need from you, my angels, to catch me when I fall for you. All I need from you, my angels, to listen to your heart. 'Cause all I need from you, my angels, to catch me when I fall for you. All I need from you, my angels, to listen to your heart.
So, I am not mad at the results. I am in shock, and it is not even 3, and I started at 2:20, and I should have put the time on and showed it to you guys, because I'm not lying to you. I did it at 2:20 and it's 2:54 right now. And usually when I have to straighten my hair with a flat iron, it takes an hour 15 minutes, all depending on my hair that day. But oh my god, guys. And it's like not like super flat. I feel like it does give my hair more volume. I'm not gonna lie though, because I don't use any products in my hair besides like the John Frieda the frizz control, and the John Frieda leave-in conditioner. That's all I use. But when I do straighten my hair, I still have like the volume, but I feel like this one is just more bouncier than flat, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Overall, I love this. I thought I was gonna end up returning it, but it looks like I'm gonna keep it. For $60, I got it at $54, but for 60 bucks in general, it's not that bad at all. It's definitely worth the price, especially if you go on vacation or if you travel. This is a great thing to just put inside your suitcase, and it does what you need and what you want. I still need to get the hang of it to do like the whole salon kind of like turns or whatever it's called. But overall, I love this, and I have nothing else to say about it besides good things. I think you guys should try it out. I'm not sponsored by them. This is just my own opinion. This is just me sharing my thoughts. This makeup look as well. I'm looking a little extra shiny, but that's because I used a new product. If you want to know what I use and you want to know how I got this look and what palette I use, check out my next video. You're going to see me wearing the same shirt, and that's because I did my makeup first, I did that video, and then I jumped onto doing my hair. You'll see the difference. So I hope you guys like this look, and I hope you guys go check out my video. Please leave a comment, like and share this video.